Assalamualaikum guys. Today our topic is how trading work. Stock trading in word is buying or selling share listen entries leading exchange like a national stock and the word stock exchange. The capital mark in word consists of two major primary and secondary markets. On primary market, private companies whose become a public can issue securities directly to public to raise the fund through public offering. There are two types. Is a public offering or follow on public offering. Uh, Once the IPO is complete, all shares of the company listed in a secondary market, uh, where the investor can the freely buy and sell all the stocks and securities. In the people are required to open a demand and trading account with a stockbroker to hold and trade the shares. Whenever whenever there's a purchase requesting with the broker, it's get passage past a representative stock exchange. Here the exchange matches a buy a order with a equivalent quality of sales order and same stock. People is transaction take place cash security and the exchange. What is a online trading? Online trading is where the people buy and sell shares electronically. To do this, one must have a demat account to hold stock and other securities in digital form. Trading account with SEB registered broker to place buy and sell the order. Uh, what are the advantages of the trading? Uh, Firstly, profit potential. Trading is a provide opportunity to achieve a significant profit in relatively short time frame. When executed with the right strategy at the right time, trade can capitalize on market movement and generate a sub-terminal returns on their investment. Second is flexibility. Trading inherently flexible. Trades have freedom to buy, sell securities, and when it seems appropriate, the inflexibility allow the investment to adopt the changing market condition and capitalize on opportunities. Access a growth economy. Active participation in the trading, especially sizable trade, provides traders with the direct exposure to professional trades can benefits from the growth of economy, especially investing the assets in asset influenced of this growth. Next is uh, take advantage economic growth. Trading allow the investor to leverage economic growth. A growth economy often translate to increased corporate earning due to a job creation. Fifth is easy buy and selling. This is a process to buying and selling the share stock in straightforward and accessible to investor. It's begin with opening demand account. We can done there a broker financial plan, setting up the investor and to get a big and higher profit. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.